Hey everybody, welcome to another exciting episode of Geocaching with Komikino and the kid.
Hi.
That's right, the kid's here. Wow, imagine that.
Yeah.
It's a nice day today. We have a nice break in the rain here. We're going to go out trying to find ourselves a couple caches here in this park because we don't know how long this nice weather's going to be because we're in our false spring. Mm-hmm. That's right. It's nice one day, icy cold the next, maybe good the next day after that. I don't know. False spring sucks in the Pacific Northwest. So join us here on this fun caching day. Find it yet, kid?
No, I don't know if it's here or not.
Let's see if we're in the right spot first. Could be down the trail just a little bit more. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I think I see it. Yeah, that must be it right over here. Stomp right up there, and you're not wearing outdoor pants? No. Let me see here. Behind stump. Now there's also a stump right over here.
Which one?
Well, let's check this one here first of all, because it's right here. Oh, here we go. It's right here. Not that thing down there. You might be able to see the stump down there, and it's like I thought that was it, but nope. Oh, yeah. There we go. Ooh. Ooh. Ta-da! There you go. Here you go, kid. You can cross the log bridge. Did you catch them all, kid?
Yeah, I did.
All right. I have not caught them all yet. Do you play another GPS-related game while you're out geocaching? Like, do you play Pokemon? Do you play Ingress? Do you play Munzie? If so, let me know about it down below. What a great place, because I can now finally take the kid for a walk here.
I'm going to let you go run out there.
At the off-leash dog park. All right, kid. You need to go run? No. Go run. Get some runs. No, let the Zoomies out.
No, you need your exercise for this.
You need to let the Zoomies out. No. Look, you're on your phone.
So are you.
Don't call me out like that. Go, kid, go. case you're wondering, Rich does all the filming. And the other people find all the geocaches. Does he find the geocaches? Yes. I can find the caches when nobody else is here to find them for me while I film them. Kid?
Yeah. Yeah, touch your camera.
Touch you. Got some dice. Ooh. What do you think the next one's going to be? There's one more dice in here. 4.
4?
I think a 1.
3 on the closest.
Hi. That is like the worst signature ever.
What is that?
Wow, that is
What
terrible.
is that?
Does it say Komikino or Annabelle? I don't know. You got it?
It won't focus.
Okay.
It's that bad.
Wow, okay.
Alright,
Oh well.
there you go.
We tried. Gonna need a tetanus shot after touching this thing. And I'm gonna leave the kid in the dog park. Toodles.
That was easy.
Good job, kid.
I guess we did need to go to the park.
Yeah. Oh well. Now we got to go walk through the rain that's now coming down. Remember earlier I said it was false spring?
You said it was nice outside.
Yeah, it was nice. Now it's raining and crappy. So we got to get back to the car. Kid, wait. No. I had to film B-roll and she's leaving me. Well,
I got a green stain from hopping over that fence.
what, kid?
I got a green stain from hopping over that fence.
Oh, man. And guess what? And there we go, folks. A nice day of geocaching that turned into a rainy, wet day. And getting your pants all green because of geocaching. And because of the weather here in the Pacific Northwest. If you don't like it, wait 10-15 minutes. If you like it, well, wait 10 or 15 minutes and it's going to get ruined. Thanks for joining us here as we found those 2 caches and had some fun running around the park here playing Pokemon Go. Thanks for watching, and who knows where we'll be caching next in the new Geo car.
Yeah.
Until then, cache on. My glasses are fogging up. Look. Ah!